The following video is a JOHNFORD SL-500A CNC lathe. This unit is new 2010. Chris is going to run a brief video demonstration for us today.
Okay, we're going to go ahead and start with the usual access, our Z. Move that over. Nice, quiet, smooth. Move that back. We'll use our X. X travels good. We'll unclamp the chuck. Check on clamp. We clamp it. Alright. I'll go ahead and do a tool change here. Then we'll go back. Alright. Then we'll go ahead and do a spindle test. At 1,000 RPM. That's 2,000 RPM. We'll go ahead and move the tailstock forward.
Again, the following video is a JOHNFORD SL-500A CNC lathe. This unit is new 2010.